How's it going, everyone? Jude here from LMR.com. Today we have a brand new product and solution for you Gen 1 Raptor guys. These are the upper grill light brackets designed for 2010 to 2014 Raptors. What this is going to be is a good solution for you guys that have any of the broken studs where you mount the upper grill lights on these trucks. What happens is people will tend to over torque and break those studs, or they just crack and break naturally from heat and wear over time. Included in the kit are going to be 3 stainless steel grill light brackets, 6 nuts, and the 3M adhesive to glue these down to the grill. The process is very straightforward. You're going to be sanding down and removing the pre-existing studs, and you're going to be gluing these in place. So what this is going to do is pretty much make it a lot easier if you ever have to take off the grill lights, swap out the old ones for new ones. So you want to make it super easy to pull them off and put them back on and not have to worry about those studs breaking on the truck. During this process, we're going to show you how to remove the front grill. And while that is off, you can also take that time to respray the entire piece, which we do offer a full kit on our website. But other than that, let's go ahead and jump into the installation process on our 2010 Raptor. To begin, start by popping the hood, disconnecting your battery cables, and then disconnecting the wiring harness from the grill lights. You can now begin removing the 8 nuts holding the grill to the hood. There are 2 tabs connecting the grill to the hood. These can break if you're not careful when removing the grill. Once you have removed the grill, place it on a flat and level surface to work on. You'll then begin removing the 3 Raptor grill lights from the grill. Once removed, tuck these or set these to the side. With a set of cutters, you'll want to go through and cut each post off since you will not need these anymore. Now you'll want to grab your choice of tool when sanding down the area. Begin sanding or filing down each area until it is flat and level. Double check your work and test fit the brackets. You want to ensure there is a flat and level surface. If it is not even or level, go back and remove some more plastic from the grill. Once everything looks good, you'll want to grab the provided 3M plastic emblem and trim adhesive. Be careful when working with this. If you get any on the front of the grill, it could cause damage to it. Use a good throwaway tool, like a toothpick or a piece of wire, to apply the glue on the back side of the brackets. You'll want to evenly coat the back of the brackets before installing on the grill. Once everything looks good, you can now install the brackets. Repeat these same steps for the other 2 brackets. You'll then want to let these sit and rest for 24 hours before reinstalling the grill lights. You can now use the provided hardware to reinstall the grill lights. Make sure that the DOT letters and numbers are at the bottom of the lights. Place each grill light in the proper position and use the provided hardware to tighten down the lights. These only need to be hand tightened. If needed, you can use a socket to tighten it a little bit more if you feel it is necessary. With all 3 grill lights installed, you can now reverse the removal process and reinstall the grill onto the front of the truck. Be sure to re-plug in your wiring harness, reconnect your battery cables, and test for operation. After that, you're good to go. All right, everyone, that's going to be the complete process of how to install the upper grill light brackets on the Gen 1 Raptors. Again, this is a very straightforward process, and you will be extremely happy to do this, and especially since you don't have to shell out a bunch of cash for a new grill, you can just do our proper solution designed for these trucks. But other than that, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And for all things Gen 1 Raptor, keep it right here with the real enthusiast, LMR.com.